Are you prepared for an emergency? If not, don't fret, because here's a guide to living as a prepper. Firstly, it's all about education and training. Continually gaining knowledge about survival skills, emergency medical techniques, and self-defense is crucial. Attending workshops, courses, and seminars can help build these skills. Secondly, develop detailed emergency plans for various scenarios, such as natural disasters, power outages, and civil unrest. Sharing these plans with loved ones can help everyone stay on the same page. Thirdly, food and water storage is essential. Build a well-stocked pantry with long shelf-life foods and essential supplies. And don't forget about water. Store it in safe containers for drinking and sanitation. Fourthly, self-reliance is key. Learning to grow your own food, raise small livestock, or cultivate a garden not only promotes self-sufficiency, but also reduces reliance on external sources. Fifthly, enhance your home security. Fortify doors and windows, install security systems, and learn self-defense techniques. Sixthly, stock up on first aid supplies, medications, and medical equipment. Learning basic first aid and CPR skills can be life-saving. Seventhly, have a reliable means of communication such as two-way radios or emergency radios for when traditional communication methods fail. Eighthly, financial preparedness is important. Create an emergency fund and diversify your financial investments to weather economic downturns. Ninthly, build connections within your community. Networking can provide support, resources, and shared knowledge. Tenthly, invest in high-quality gear like survival kits, tools, and camping equipment. Regular maintenance and updates to your gear are also key. 11thly, maintain good physical health. Regular exercise and a healthy diet can help you better handle physical demands during emergencies. 12thly, practice stress management techniques and develop mental resilience. Staying calm and focused during crises is essential. 13thly, conduct practice drills for various emergency scenarios. This helps everyone understand their roles and responsibilities. Finally, regularly review your emergency plans, supplies, and skills. This ensures they remain relevant and effective. Remember, prepping is a personal journey, and your approach may vary based on your location, available resources, and individual needs. It's important to strike a balance between preparedness and leading a fulfilling everyday life. By adopting a proactive mindset and implementing practical strategies, you can better navigate unexpected challenges and ensure the well-being of yourself and those around you.